Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby, no. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhollow me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? It's getting a little bit out of control, the way you look so good without trying it out. And this addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't want to spend another night by myself. Cause I know.
Okay, so I just finished cutting out the grid or the display grid for my acrylic charms. So here is the zodiac signs at the top, and then Busette, the grape and strawberry juices, and little froggy. So this is what I'm thinking of doing for the displays at the markets for the charms. I also made a smaller version, so it's going to be a little longer in case I want to display it this way or this way. But I might not use these for now. I'm going to laminate these afterwards. Okay, so I just finished attaching all of these guys to the back of the board. So they're all nice and secure. So here we go. So this is what it looks like. I'm really happy with how it turned out. Okay, so I'm currently working on the... Okay, I'm a little out of breath. Okay, so I'm currently working on the table mock-ups for the Bloom and Soul. So it's going to be on the 3rd and 4th of August from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. So I actually need to get there by 8 a.m. to set up the table. And then I noticed some little dots here and there on how I should set up the table. So I tried measuring it out, and I know that my grids are 35 by 35 centimeters. So I tried to illustrate it here and plan it out a little bit. So this one's a little messy, but I did a better sketch over here. So as you can see, that's going to be me, or like my sister. And then I'm going to be having some sticker sheets, some die cut stickers, some prints at the front, some more sticker sheets up here, and some prints. So that's the general idea of how I want to set things up. I'm probably going to mock it up in the next couple of weekends, and I'll see how that goes. I'm also starting to draft up the mock-up for the Momo Art Mart, which is just a week and a half after the first Bloom and Soul one. So although it is a bit later, it's very close to the first art market. So I feel like I should work on planning it out earlier. So this table is a lot bigger than all of the other ones that I've done. So I did try to mock it up as best as I could. So I'm thinking of having a row of grids at the back. So then that will build upwards, and then I can put like storage stuff at the back, and then have all of my items at the front. So if you take a look at this diagram that I tried to mock up a couple of times, this is how I'm thinking of doing it. So at the front, it's going to be my little banner. And then I'm going to leave this area open, so then like people can like talk to me, I can serve them and stuff like that. I don't want to make it too crowded, because I feel like those markets where they just have a tiny little booth or like a tiny little hole, it feels like the artist is in jail. So I kind of want to make it a little bit more open spaced. So on the side, I'm going to have all of the pin displays, and then the charm displays here, and then maybe some more charms here. I'm not sure where I should put the charms yet, but it's one of these ones. And then at the front, I'm going to have my sticker sheets and stickers. I was initially going to be having these elsewhere, but then I feel like these areas are really blind spot-like. So I feel like I should have all of the loose items at the front in case there's like any type of theft or anything like that. And then over here, I'm thinking of putting all of the art prints and stuff like that. and here maybe like the $1 bins, the mystery bags and stuff like that. Hey there! Okay, so it's a new week and I'm working on some new stickers. So I'm very excited about this one. So I've been wanting to draw Tamagotchi little babies for like a while, but I never really got to it because I stopped playing it. I used to play, I think the first one I got was, I think it was like when it first came out, the first gen. I remember my cousins got me like a little fake one from like Kmart or something, and I really liked it. So I was like super duper jealous of all of the other cool kids that ended up getting the actual real one. But then years later, I think around like a year or two ago, my husband, he got me the Gen 3, like the fairy Tamagotchi, and oh, it's actually so cute. We both got one each, and then we would like pair up and visit each other and everything. So because of that, I wanted to draw some little stickers just of like the original set and a bit of the newer ones. So here's the sticker sheet. I'm very excited. I'm probably gonna be cutting it later on this week. So yeah. I also made a poll on my Instagram asking everyone whether they wanted Pokemon or Tamagotchi fan art, and the winning vote was the Pokemon ones. So of course I did some cute little Pokemon artwork. So here we go. So this is also gonna be a sticker sheet that I'll be making later on this week. So yeah, very, very excited. Okay, this is kind of weird, but I just got my business cards in the mail, and for anyone who orders business cards or anything from Vistaprint, do they just come in the box, like without any packaging or bags or anything? It was a little weird, and it also didn't come with like any plastic wrapping. So I don't know. Well, other than that, the business cards did turn out super duper cute, so I'm very happy with how they turned out. But yeah, a little concerning in case I want to order like prints or anything in the future from Vistaprint. So yeah, let me know if you guys have experienced something like this. So yeah, other than that, everything's pretty good. So I'm pretty happy with these business cards. I'm planning on bringing them to art markets, conventions, or any events in person, and maybe online orders. Hey there! Okay, so I'm super excited because my stickers finally arrived. So I think Sticker Mule was doing a little sale for their sticker sheets. So I ordered 50 sticker sheets of these suit balls. This was probably an artwork that I worked on many years ago when I first started drawing. And I'm actually really happy with how it was created so many years ago, and it still looks so good. So I decided to make this into a sticker sheet. I've actually never posted or shown this artwork, so yeah, super duper happy with how it turned out. I also started printing the Poker Babies sticker sheet yesterday, so you probably saw some footage before this little segment. So yeah, very happy with how it turned out. I love how it turned out a little pastel. And I've also worked on the Tama Babies. For this one, I feel like the colors are a little bit too saturated for my liking. And I don't know, I think I like the Poker Babies a little more than the Tama Babies. So I'm thinking of just desaturating it so then it'll look a little more pastel. So yeah, that's what I'm going to be working on today.
You don't disappear, baby. No. So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowed with me? And why would I try to hide the truth when I feel so empty without you? It's getting a little bit out of control. The way you look so good without trying it out. And this addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't wanna spend another night by myself.
Okay, so I've just finished making the Puka baby stickers and the Tama baby stickers. So I did adjust some of these colors to make it a little less saturated and too strong, so that it matches a little better with the Puka baby, so they're both a little bit more pastel. And now I'm just counting inventory to restock for the markets. So I've got a few other ones that I need to pack individually, like how I did for the soup balls. So I'm planning on packing each sticker in a little plastic sleeve so then it's protected during transit. And yeah.
So why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing unhallowing me? Why would I go and hide the truth when I feel so empty without you?
Hey there! Okay, so it's a new morning. It's currently the end of the week and I'm working on finishing the last batches of stickers. So I've got some sticker sheets that I worked on yesterday, and then I need to count all of these so then I can note down how many I'm going to be bringing to the markets, just so I know how, like, whether ones did better, worse, and blah blah blah. And then for the rest of the day, I'm probably going to be making the rest of the die cut stickers and packing those in.
That kept me safe from danger. I'm no longer a remainder. Want to return the favor. You tell me.
Okay, so I just finished packing all of the die cut stickers, and what I've done this time is use these plastic sealable bags and put in little bunches. So then there's like the bunny stickers in this batch, the ducket sticker, the bunnies, and the celestial ones. And then here you have all of the Cinnabons, and not the Cinnabons, the cinema rolls, the cow, Kirby, and I forgot which one this one. My Melody and Kurami stickers are in this bag, and all of the bigger stickers are in this. So I've got 3 big bags of the die cut stickers, and I'm going to be packing the rest of the sticker sheets into the box.
I'm set free from misbehavior. Now I start to realize your grace brings me to life. No longer I believe all of is lies.
Okay, so I'm super duper excited because I just finished packing and making all of the little jellyfish charms. I think they're called charms, like phone charms. So they're pretty much like these little jellyfishes. And the charms are they're so cute. I feel like I'm super duper proud with how these turned out. So yeah, I made a few different color variations. So there's purple, pink, white, black, green, and blue. So these are all of the little ones. I'm not too sure how much to price them yet. I did post like a little question box on Instagram asking how much they should be. and most people said around like the $20 mark, so I might make these $20. I'll see how that goes. I'm still trying to figure out how I'm going to be packing these because they're quite bulbous. Like as you can see on the side, the jellyfish head is kind of big and fat, so I'm not too sure how I should pack these. But yeah, might be packing them in the box, might be bubble wrapping them. Yeah. Okay, and I also have another super exciting thing that I've been working on are these little bunnies. So I've been wanting to make like cute little bouquets for the markets, especially the bloom and so on. The whole theme is going to be like all floral, spring and blooming. So I thought having little flower bouquets would be super duper cute. Also thought it would be a really cute idea for like friends, significant others, family to just buy a small little flower bouquet for their loved ones. So yeah, these are little bunnies that I've made so far. Some roses and some tulips. The tulips are dedicated to my little sister, so I'm gonna be making her a bouquet of tulips for her birthday. But yeah, there's these little bears. I made little tiny ones on the top. I'm still waiting for these guys to dry because I added them this morning, but after they dry I'm gonna be adding some cute little faces. But yeah, here are the bears, the bunnies and flowers.
I come to all my senses, drop down all my defenses. In you I am redeemed. Now I believe, now I believe. Something's missing in my life. Didn't know what it was till I felt it in you. Yeah, something's missing.
Okay, so this is a little contraption that I've been using to dry these clay flowers. So it's like this little like, I don't know, foam thingy. So like my husband recently bought some stuff and then it came in these. So then I was like, okay, keep those for me. I want to use these to dry my clay with. So yeah, here are the little tulips. Some more flowers of the bunnies, and then I also did some little blue flowers last night. So yeah, these guys are all drying at the moment and I'll be working on making some more bouquets next week. Okay, this is probably the end of the video, so thank you so much for sticking by. Remember, if you like this video, give it a like and also subscribe if you want to see more videos. Okay, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!